How to make full screen on CapCut. So first is to launch the application and then tap on New Project, and from here select the video that you want to upload. Now in the list of icons found below, select Ratio and then choose the ratio of your video. So you may swipe to your left to find more options, but for this I will be using the 6:9 ratio. Now tap on the video and then swipe through the list of icons to find this edit icon. Then tap crop. So when selecting the ratio for your video, you should use the same ratio that you've used on your video frame. So since I've used the 16:9 ratio, I should choose the same ratio. So you may start cropping your video to however you like by using your two fingers. So once you're satisfied, tap the check button found on the lower right corner. And now zoom in to fit the frame using your two fingers. So that is how you make full screen on CapCut. Thank you and have a great day.